All right, Coach Flynn, obviously a day of highs and lows, but the big thing is that 5 of your 6 wrestlers are moving on to things tomorrow. So just your thoughts on everybody individually, as a team.
As a team, yeah, it's nice to have 5 guys moving forward. This tournament's a grind. It wears you out. But we thought Sean Russell, was in on a takedown to win the match. They call it potentially dangerous. That can go either way. And obviously Pat Lugo had a #1 seed, and real tough kid. Austin came back with a big win tonight, as did Casey Fuller. Billy Miller ran into a pretty solid kid too. And Vic just didn't look himself. I don't know. Sometimes I don't have the answers. He wasn't himself.
Okay. And you had just touched on it before, but can you further expound upon how your 3 wrestlers answered back after losing their first matches?
Yeah, I thought they did a great job. It's hard out here. You have high goals, and you got to have a short memory. You lose, you've got to be able to get back out there and get a win. And so those 5 are through the second day, and we just got to keep them winning.
And do you sometimes talk to your players after a first-round loss and try to will them to get back into it, or do they kind of do that themselves?
A little both. You try to be supportive and get them in the right frame of mind, but they've been competing their whole lives. They've been through these ups and downs, so you don't usually have to say too much.
And are there any matches in particular you're looking forward to tomorrow from your players?
Looking forward to all of them. We only got 5.
That's great news. So
Yep.
Have a good night, Tim. We'll see you tomorrow.
Thanks.
Thanks a lot.